Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Stair Experts. We're standing inside Sushant Lok Phase 2. We're in the heart of the city, Gurugram region. Every single location out here in the surroundings is very well connected to the main golf course road and the golf course extension road. Today we are on a plot size of 300 square yards, which is a 3-bedroom hall kitchen. This also has a study room on my right hand side. That's the configuration of the house. Let's get started. This specific hallway that you see where I'm standing right now, this is the dining section of this house, the formal dining section. A table for 10 can easily be placed. On the surface you will see this is all Italian flooring in the hallway. You talk about the ceiling design, this has a square ceiling design. Above me you see a small fan as well. This is by Crompton. You talk about the wall on the right hand side, again on the right hand side, and on my left hand side where the telephone is parked, this is a plain wall. Just we have left it because for your customizations. Towards on my left hand side you will see यहाँ पर आप air conditioning system लगा सकते हैं, provisioning आपको दिया हुआ है. This is your telephone system. If somebody is coming to your residence, that person will be able to talk to you before it comes up, he or she comes up. This is your closet inside the dining section. This also has a powder room attached to this specific hallway. That's the powder room. A beautiful vanity by Hindware. You've got a countertop granite stone, which is a natural stone, and सारा टाइलिंग वर्क है आपका वॉशरूम के अंदर. वॉल माउंट कमोड सीट है. सारी फिटिंग्स आपकी Jaguar की है. You've got a glass mirror as well, which is placed on the left. Show them the mirror, please. This is the powder room, and now we'll move towards the hallway, which is the formal living space of the house. This is the formal living space. This formal living space is quite a huge. यहाँ पर अपना L shape आप सोफ़ा लगा सकते हैं. Easily you can accommodate. And this also has a balcony connected in the front of the house, which is giving the natural sunlight. An air conditioning का provisioning दिया हुआ है. Surface पे आपके Italian flooring है. You talk about the ceiling design. This is an edgy design given on the ceiling. This also has LED lights on the borders. Wall is all plain. My left hand side, again on my left and again on my front. On my right hand side, this is a plain wall for your customizations. We have left it empty. This is UPVC. This is a meshed door, and a fixed door with a sliding is placed here. This is the balcony of the property. काफ़ी बड़ी balcony है. काफ़ी you've got a huge size running balcony, which is gonna take you to the another bedroom, which will be the first bedroom of the house. You talk about the railing. This is all MS. You've got toughened granite top. On the surface you've got the anti-skid tiles. This is your textured paint done. This is the kitchen window. This is your wet area tap, and I see the drainage vessel is there at that corner. जहाँ पर इधर में भी एयर कंडीशनिंग सिस्टम का एक्सटर्नल आप लगा सकते हैं. यहाँ पर भी एयर कंडीशनिंग सिस्टम का आप एक्सटर्नल लगा सकते हैं. दैट्स योर ड्रेनेज वेसल. थोड़ा सा एक बारी सराउंडिंग्स दिखा दीजिए हमारे व्यूअर्स को. उधर की तरफ भी दिखा दीजिए. So let's get inside to the formal living space now. All Italian on the surface. Beautiful property, undoubtedly. Come, let's cover up the study room first, because this has a study room. Flooring, if you will see, these are all tiles, wooden shaded tiles. On the left you have a plain wall. This is the provisioning given for the air conditioning system. Right hand side again you've got the plain wall. This is your small shaft window. I suggest when you will move into your property, get the channel made, and then only you should have an access to this, because if your children are studying here, इसके साथ एक mesh door लगा लेंगे तो थोड़ा सा breathing का issue नहीं होगा. This is a normal light given here. इसमें कोई LED light नहीं है. This is a plain wall on the ceiling. Above me you will see a fan. Let's get inside to the first bedroom of the house. This is the first bedroom of the house. This has tiling on the surface. The left front right wall stays empty. For the design, for your artistic designs, आप इधर पेंटिंग लगा सकते हैं कुछ भी अपने हिसाब से. यहाँ पर आपने अपना पलंग लगा लिया. You can place your bed here. Here you can get your wooden work done. Console यहाँ पर आप बनवा सकते हैं. You can hang your television. That's the provisioning for your air conditioning system. If you talk about the ceiling design, this is a stage ceiling design given to you, which is looking gymnast. And you talk about the switches, you've got all modular switches. This also has a balcony connected to this room. Balcony एक बारी दिखा देता हूँ आपको. You've got the same balcony that you'll be sharing in common with the formal living space of the house. This is the same balcony. यहाँ पर में आपका external लगेगा. You've got 3 units for an external to fix out here. All textured wall. Once again, nothing has changed. The beauty of the place is, if you could show that Aravali Hills there, वो Aravali Hills का पूरा view आ रहा है सामने. थोड़ा सा zoom करके अगर आप दिखा सकते हैं, it'll be nice. सारा Aravali का view है. This is a new location that we're shooting today, and you've got a huge amount of space outside to park your cars, although you will get a 2-car garage option here in the stilt parking area. So this was the first bedroom of the house. Let's see the closet. This is the closet section. ये पूरा का आपका पूरा closet है. ऊपर में storage दिया हुआ है, नीचे में it's still, as of now it's locked, but you will get the storage. This is your washroom. A normal simple washroom. You've got a granite top natural stone. These are all tiles. All on my right, on my left, on the surface you'll see 16 inches का 16 by 16 इंची का ये एंटिस के टाइल्स हैं. यहाँ पर मैं आपका जैगवार की फिटिंग्स है सैनिटरी की. You've got the मोदी गार्ड का इसमें मिरर दिया हुआ है. A beautiful mirror has been given here. This has a wall mount seat. Come show here. Wall mount seat है इसमें. ऊपर में आपको एक रनिंग शेल्फ दे दिया. यहाँ पर गीजर का आपका प्रोविजनिंग है. You've got the rain head. This वॉशरूम के अंदर इसमें पार्टीशन नहीं दिया हुआ है ग्लास का. इसमें एक लेवल नीचे सरफेस कर दिया है. दैट्स योर ड्रेनेज वेसल. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द फर्स्ट वॉशरूम ऑफ द हाउस. लेट्स गेट इनसाइड टू द सेकंड बेडरूम ऑफ द हाउस नाउ. दिस इज द सेकंड रूम ऑफ द house, which has a balcony connected at the back side. This is your plain wall that you see all around. Again, for your customization, we've left it empty. This is a rectangular design on the ceiling. Above me, you will see a fan by Crompton. All tiling work done on the surface. This is the backside balcony. Before we get out to the balcony area, you will see the air conditioning का provisioning यहाँ दिया हुआ है. This is the backside of the house. हवा अच्छी लग रही है भाई, अच्छा लग रहा है. सारा आपको गुड़गांव नज़र आता है इधर से जितना आप देख सकते हैं. और 2 साइड ओपन ये प्लॉट है. एक तरीके से हवादार मकान बनाया है. डेवलपर ने बहुत अच्छी कंस्ट्रक्शन करी है. यहाँ पर मैं एक्सटर्नल एसी का आप लगा सकते हैं. ये सारा आपका पाइपिंग का काम करा हुआ है. ये इसी सेकंड बेडरूम का एग्जॉस्ट फैन का पंखा लगा हुआ है यहाँ पर. ये रनिंग बैल्कनी है आपकी. You've got the air conditioning का सिस्टम here as well, and that's your wet area. And I don't see the drainage vessel here. Drainage vessel कहाँ पर दिया है? Okay, that's the drainage vessel. वहाँ दिखा दीजिए एक बारी. How does the property look like? This is all metal railing. You've got the granite countertop underneath the railing, and you've got this tiling work done here on the surface. And the ceiling wall paint is normal, it's simple. Come. This is the washroom attached with the second bedroom. That's the closet area. Huge cabinetry space has been given to you. A glass by Modi Guard once again, which has on top of this has an LED light, a beautiful vanity with a natural stone countertop. This is your rain head. All sanitary fittings are by Jaguar. This is your running shelf, commode seat, wall mounted commode seat. That's the provisioning for your geyser, and that's a small light given there, LED by Seska. This is the last bedroom of the house, which is the third bedroom. This has tiling work done on the surface. It's a niche quality tile. Left, right, front, the wall stays empty as usual for your customizations. This is the air conditioning का provisioning है यहाँ पर. राइट में आपका सारा क्लोजेट बना हुआ है. एक बारी बालकनी को दोबारा से खोल के आपको दिखा देते हैं कि थर्ड बेडरूम में बालकनी का व्यू कैसा आता है. दिस इज़ द सिमिलर बालकनी दैट यू शेयर विद द सेकंड बेडरूम ऑफ द हाउस. नथिंग हैज़ चेंज्ड. So let's get inside to the washroom space and see what is there to explore. Air conditioning का आपको इधर provisioning दिया हुआ है. This is your closet space. Enough closet space that you'll get. This is the washroom. A very simple washroom that I will suggest. It's made on the left hand side, on the right hand side. Here you've got all tiling work done, but this is a designer textured tile. This is a granite top. Jaguar का आपका vanity है bowl shape में. This is again your Modi Guard mirror, and which has an LED lights, provisioning for your geyser, wall mount commode seat. Again, this is an anti-skid tiles. That's the space for your exhaust fan. This is altogether a beautiful house that I see. बड़े दिनों बाद एक ऐसा घर देख रहा हूँ जो वैल्यू फॉर मनी है. लोग बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें लगा के देते हैं आपकी सर्विसेज के लिए, लेकिन इसके अंदर चीज़ें अच्छी लगी हैं, कम है लेकिन बहुत साफ़ सुथरा और बहुत शानदार इसका जो है ना नक्शा बनाया हुआ है. लेट्स कवर अप द किचन. दिस इज द किचन दैट आई एम एट. अ ग्रेनाइट natural stone countertop, modular switches. This is your gas funnel, that's your pipe. This is your chimney. We're not giving hob with this house. This is your sink. This is not a movable. This is okay, it's movable. That's your provisioning for the geyser. You've got the cabinetry space down here. You can keep your cutlery. You can store your peppers, salt, grains, your rice, whatever you want to keep, your bowls, your crockery, anything, I mean. And that's the pocket window. That's a slider window. This has a mesh door wherein इसमें से ventilation की कोई problem नहीं होगी, and it will be good to go and good to use evening hours में. Although if you want to install the exhaust, you're more than welcome. This is all tiling work done. बहुत साफ सुथरा है, काफ़ी spacious है. Approximately, I guess 4 people can easily accommodate themselves. This is the space for your refrigerator. यहाँ तक का इन्होंने border partition दिया हुआ है, बहुत अच्छी चीज़ करी है इधर. So this was all about the 300 square yard site which we have just showed you inside Sushant Lok Phase 2. Don't forget to give us your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Stay tuned for more and more videos, and if you think, is there any feedback for us, please let us know. We would love to accept it. Thank you so very much. Keep watching us. Thank you.